Did you know that one of the trusted crypto experts in the cryptocurrency world said that Cardano will go to 10,000% of your amount? But why is this so? Make sure to stay tuned until the end to find out. Are you aware of what Raoul, a former hedge fund manager and investment strategist, disclosed that could impact Cardano's price to skyrocket soon? Is it possible that ADA will see a rise by up to 100 times more quickly? Will this be the wave we've been anticipating? Cardano has grown into one of the most successful cryptocurrencies in history and is well known. Based on CoinMarketCap.com, its price is 79 cents of a dollar and is regarded as one of the world's most outstanding cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the best thing about this coin is that it's far more impressive than any other coin. Every other coin is being surpassed by it. That is just one more example of the hype around smart contracts. Despite having a robust ecosystem with many users, the token scores higher than Cardano compared to other smart contract platforms such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana. It is yet to be discovered by the rest of the world. And what's the reason for this? This makes it valuable for newcomers to the field since Cardano is so popular amongst enthusiasts and novice alike. In addition, it seems that something new happens every day in the cryptocurrency sector. The recent breakout of $0.49 for Cardano is more than just a breakout of the $0.49. Cardano has also broke through its next barrier after its introduction. In addition to being one of the 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world, Cardano has constantly been considered among the most promising. Furthermore, Cardano appears to have a bright future. There is no doubt that the token can break records. Despite the recent crash, the price still goes up like crazy, looking to reach a new all-time high. Cardano and the crypto sector are expected to grow rapidly despite the recent crash. Its value may increase more than 1,000-fold in the next few years, and all this can be attributed to Charles Hoskinson, the man who developed the crypto coin, and today it is sweeping the world. Aside from Cardano, Charles Hoskinson is also the inventor of Ethereum and the co-founder of Cardano, both of which are huge blockchain platforms. His companies are actively involved in the cryptocurrency market. Among them is Cardano. As a third-generation cryptocurrency, it can be used for various purposes, including credential authentication and decentralized finance. One of the most valuable assets in cryptocurrency is ADA. Cardano's mission is to build an interoperable and sustainable system by leveraging smart contracts and decentralization. As one would expect, there is a huge difference between this model and previous versions. Also, much remains to be done. As part of its design principles, Cardano puts a strong emphasis on scalability and interoperability. Additionally, the Cardano blockchain is planning some crazy activities for 2022, including the launch of its first set of dApps. There will be a flood of activity on the blockchain soon, and this is usually a good thing for investors. Furthermore, we will be able to compare Cardano more accurately with other projects regarding the total value locked and the DeFi activity. The third thing is how great it is that the blockchain is now working and being used for trading farm loans and other uses. Occam X begins with Occam Finance and their new decentralized exchange, Occam X. Those of us following Cardano may have heard about something called the concurrency issue. Since Cardano utilizes UTXO, which is pretty much the same accounting system as Bitcoin, but with a set of legitimated validators that allow smart contracts, which Cardano calls eUTXO, an extended version of UTXO. Moreover, it creates the possibility that you may not be able to trade or swap more than once in a block. The result is not good for decentralized exchanges. Nevertheless, this is something Cardano developers will need to learn to build DEXs on the blockchain. According to Occam, they are confident about the DEX's ability to deal with receipts, and they have the solution for this, that they can trade twice simultaneously. By using Cardano Scan Cardano Explorer, the transactions occur in the same block in the blockchain. This is the first solution that solves the concurrency problem. With the stakes high, whichever DEX launches first may become favored over the rest. Before we move on, guys, the web's future is not simply around the corner. It's here, and it's growing at a rapid pace. And now, with the introduction of the unstoppable domain, you can protect your very own part of the pie. This, however, is not your parents' .com. While monopolies and algorithms govern the traditional internet, the emerging decentralized internet is comprised of non-traditional top-level domains such as .crypto, .x, .wallet, and others that are 100% user-owned rather than controlled. The NFT domains of the unstoppable domains are web addresses that bring you a lot of opportunities. In addition to being your internet identity, your NFT domain serves as your payment address for all your cryptocurrencies, the URL of your own website, and your login for the whole decentralized web. And this is only the beginning of the story. One advantage of using unstoppable domains is that they come with superpowers that go well beyond simply being able to host websites on them. Second, they may be used as logins for decentralized applications, or known as the dApps, and usernames to replace all of your hideously difficult wallet addresses, for the purpose of sending and receiving hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. Cardano is now supported through Unstoppable Domain and new integration YOROI wallet. It's safer, more convenient, and less prone to error than copying and pasting your lengthy wallet address, and it allows crypto to be used in a more real-world scenario. Your NFT galleries can be hosted on Unstoppable Domain for free, which is the third advantage you will have. Domains are available for as low as $20, and take note of this, there are no renewal fees, so you'll own this for life. I mean, that sounds like an amazing deal to me. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a blockchain enthusiast or working on the next big thing, we have something for you. Don't let your Web3 identification slip away. Because the domains are distributed on the blockchain, no one can take them away from you after you purchase them. It's not like a .com where you must rent and risk losing because you don't actually own it. Today is the day to secure your unstoppable domain in name by being the first to register. Furthermore, other chains with top dexes such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap have values in the billions. In another project on Cardano Sunday Swap, investors are regularly updated regarding product launch plans. Although the dexes were initially been due in October, they failed to launch. Therefore, everyone is eager to start using dApps on Cardano. However, since these dApps are being released for the first time, it's understandable that launch schedules can be affected. On Twitter, Sunday Swapper notified the followers that their Sunday Swap tokens would be available on their DEX, the same day as their initial stable offering. Sunday Swap launched last December. We can use Cardano tokens to swap for Sunday tokens on the platform. In addition, you can use your Cardano to stake in one of Sunday Swap's stake pools and earn rewards in Sunday tokens. In addition, a liquidity pool will be created on the Cardano blockchain, and transactions will be signed with NAMI wallets. SundaySwap has its solution for Cardano's concurrency issues, and it seems like things are getting very close to reality. Right now, they appear to be satisfied with the progress made. However, no official date has been set for when it will be released. However, you can expect it to be released soon. There are so many developments on the Cardano blockchain and crypto in general. Meanwhile, among various projects on Cardano, Spaceboat was perhaps many favorites as the designs were just so fun and exciting. The company closed its millionth trade a few weeks later. As you can see, the trading volume right here, NFT trading on Cardano is exploding according to CNFT Analytics. And it's only fair to say that we're up to around 1 million ADA per day. Compared to NFT trading volumes on the Ethereum and OpenSea, this is still very, very low. However, Cardano holds a strong community, new projects are appearing every day, as well as NFTs are seeing immense growth. Several new drops including Claymates, Forgotten, and Yummi Universe have been added to the top projects on Cardano lately. Several of these have been at the top of the sales leaderboard over the last few weeks, but they aren't all. A macro expert and chief executive officer of Real Vision believes the crypto markets will grow exponentially soon as the crypto space is experiencing lightning fast adoption. According to Powell, during an interview with Going Underground on RT Network, crypto is gaining acceptance faster than any other technology, and the number of cryptocurrency users currently stands at 150 million. Further, 113% of the population adopts it each year. There has never been an adaptation rate of technology that's so high, so technological change is happening at a breakneck pace. In addition to institutions, sovereign wealth funds, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, and national states, everyone else is moving into the market. Defending the space against regulatory concerns, Powell, as a Goldman Sachs former executive, believes that the space's decentralized nature and sheer size will make it difficult for regulators to fully regulate it. This, according to him, is unique. It has a distributed owner network of 150 million to a billion people around the world, so its ability to govern itself is nearly non-existent. Also, it is said that the network is fascinating. Essentially anti-establishment, it creates a new world based on distributed ownership and safe tamper-proof assets that can never be stolen. Based on the scale of other traditional financial markets, Powell estimates that crypto markets would reach a total worth of $200 trillion in the next decade. Right now, the 2.5 trillion assets class looks minuscule in comparison. There are around 150 trillion to 350 trillion dollars in the world's main asset class, such as equities, bonds, and real estate. Powell believes that this amount will increase to 200 trillion in the next 10 years, representing a 100 times increase in one asset class. To be honest, it seems that everyone is getting a once-in-a-lifetime chance here. Who knows if it can even reach a 10,000 times increase, right? And this is because since Cardano has incredible potential despite not being a currency for trading, it is one of those projects with immense potential. With its pedigree based on academic research, Cardano has created a strong community. Furthermore, the strength of its technical foundation and the ambition of its team make ADA a top cryptocurrency worldwide. So, what are your thoughts on this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.